Hello everyone, in this training video I'm going to be walking you through how to create city specific landing pages. Okay, so this is going to be for those of you that invest in um, different cities. Okay, so if you wanted to go in and add multiple areas that you invest in and have a page for each city that you invest in, this is going to be how you can go ahead and build that and set that up inside of your own website. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to create the actual page itself and then how to come in and add it here at the bottom inside of the footer section. Okay, so what we're going to do is you want to make sure that you are logged into your website. Okay, and then you're going to want to go ahead and go into the back end of your site. All right, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and create the page itself. So if you can see right here in this left hand tool area right here, we're going to go ahead and go to where it says pages, and we're going to click on all pages. Okay, and then the easiest thing to do rather than go in and create uh, a whole page from scratch, we're just going to come over here and we're going to duplicate the home page. Okay, because most of you guys, you're going to want the page to look exactly like the home page. The only difference is going to be the actual area itself. Okay, where it says like we buy houses, and you're going to want to change that area, and then you can also edit it to have different verbiage if you want, or different images. But again, the easiest way to do this is go ahead and just duplicate the home page. So I'm going to click on EA Duplicator. Okay, and so now you can see right here we have two home pages. This is the actual live home page, the one that says front page. And then the new one that we just created is called draft. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do two things. I'm gonna go ahead and click a quick edit. Okay, so you can see right here it opened up the quick edit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put the name of this page that we want to create, right? So we can do sell my house fast in, and then whatever city you want to do in, or whatever city you want to add. You can also do something like we buy houses in, or whatever you want the name of the page to be. But we're gonna go ahead and do this, and we'll go ahead and add the name. Obviously, you would just put in whatever you want it to be, and then we're gonna go ahead and hit update. Okay, so now we have that new page, Sell My House Fast in Los Angeles, and then now what we're gonna do is go ahead and click on Edit with Elementor. Okay, because again, that is what powers the website. That's what allows us to go in and edit it really easily using the drag and drop builder. Okay, so now we have the page itself. We can see what it looks like, and the easiest thing to do is we're just gonna go ahead and do a find. Right, we're just going to search for um, what we want to replace. So in this case, I want to search for, let's do your city. Okay. Oh, I put Okay, perfect. And so now it shows us, all the different spots that it has your city. Obviously, I'm using the column template. Whatever template you have, it'll look different, but it'll be the exact same process. You just follow along with everything I just did, and then you just go ahead and go in and replace anywhere that it says your city with whatever actual city you want it to say. So for this one, I'm gonna go ahead and just put Los Angeles. Okay, and let me go ahead and just copy this so I don't have to keep typing it out. So that says Los Angeles. Obviously, this one right here says your city, so I would go in and I would replace that with Los Angeles. I would come down here. Here's one more area where it says your city. I would replace that, and there it is. So that I took care of all of the your cities right here on the page itself. Okay. Now what I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and hit publish. Awesome. So I can hit have a look, and now I can actually see the page itself. So this one says we buy houses in Los Angeles. And again, if you have multiple cities, you would just follow along with everything we just did, and you would just do it multiple times for each city you want to add. And then last step is to go ahead and add it down here to this section down here. And the way we do that is we're going to go ahead and go back to the dashboard. Okay. And then under appearance, we're going to go ahead and go to menus. Okay. And then um, again, typically depending on which template you have, you may have multiple menus. The one you want to find is footer cities, and you're going to hit select. And then you can see right here by default we have just the home page on there. Okay, what you want to do now is you just want to go ahead and add the new one that you just created. So I'm going to check that box there. I'm going to hit add to menu. And now we have sell my house fast in Los Angeles. Okay, and then you would just do that for every new page you create. You would hit save menu. And then I'm going to go ahead and go to the site. And then when I come down to the very bottom, you can see I have that new page right there. And then again, you would just add however many new pages you created. And then for every new one, you just follow along with the same process. Okay. So that is how you create a city specific landing page and add it to your footer section.